Hi, Tech and Talk. Most of you guys already might know that most of the tools I regularly use, I wrote them by myself. One of the requirements these days is to manage my YouTube video tags. It's getting difficult day by day, so I decided to create my own web application that will let me group or manage those tags for me and also will add some artificial intelligence into that application as well at some point so that it will decide and suggest some tags of the box by maybe using some of the available third-party APIs. But we'll decide at that point. But for now, let's give it a start. What I have did already is you might know the store management system. You can find its link above here. So that is a complete ASP.NET web application MVC application series, which we build from scratch, which is mature enough. We can use that as a base point base implementation for this system. So what I already have did is um, I renamed that application to tags mill because this is going to be a factory tags factory which will produce tags for us based on our um, a given statement or given title. All the layers are same, the just the projects are renamed in a way that every project is prefixed with TM, right? So let's just run this that at once so that we can see if everything is working fine. Other than that, another purpose of creating this video was to share you guys the real implementation of different system, how the requirements are translated into the applications. Uh, and anyway, I had to, build the application. Why not sharing that experience with you guys that you can understand and learn as well. So let me open. It seems that it's running now. Okay, it's running. So by default, we have that login view, which is fine. But in the UI, we can see some of the old references, so we can rename those one. So from this view, we can remove the store management and add the tags mill at the bottom, and we can remove that login model at the top of the form as well. Okay, let me just add it. The view. So that view was over a home index. So we can go to home index section, just right click there and go to view. This is another way to go to the binded view from an action. So here we can see um, we might no, that was not my bad. So that is the authentication controller and the login view. We can go to the view. Here in the top we can see login model. We can just remove this one, it's not required. And from the bottom perspective we can go to the layout, share layout, and the bottom we can remove we can rename it from store management to the tags mill file. And we can search for the application for the store management text. If there is any other, we can rename that one as well. Now we have find only one, so we can update that as well. Okay, just press Ctrl F5 to see the changes. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, changes are done. Right. So the login from the previous system was, I think it was, let me double check my app settings. It was Osman at Gmail and 123456. And 123456. I want to remember it. Let's create. Or should not be create the text of the button. We can update that one as well to something like login. Okay. Yeah, and the system perspective, we know that now we don't need that list of stores. Instead, we can uh, what we can have. So first of all, we can have a search bar where I can search a title, and in the results I can get the required tags. So let's build from there, and we can extend that view to achieve our requirement. So for that one, let's create a separate controller for now. Um, yeah, let's create a separate controller. Let's name it tags. Mm, tags. Okay, in the index, I want to add a view. Add, and from our products index, I can duplicate that view just to support that search feature. So for that one, what I can do is I can pick these lines from here and go to index. Here we can place them and we can utilize this view, I think so. Control S, Control F5. So slash tags should give us that new view. Right now we have the search field in the search button, and we should be able to search our tags, and we can update the product references to just tags, add tags, and stores products. So instead of store products, why not let's add tags here as well, and in the placeholder we can write like search tags, right? Control F5. Okay, now the changes are there. And on home, we have welcome to tax mail, add new store. It should be, we will be replacing the whole view at some point. So we're not interested in this view at the moment. We can just go to the tags here. And in the next video, we will update that view to some extent that we will be creating the tags table, and we will should be able to search through those tags, and we should be able to add some tags in the database as well. So that was all from this video. I hope this is a good start, and there will be a lot of learning in this tax mill management system as well. Stay tuned for the new videos. Till then, bye bye.